Hi, my name is Jesse, joined with Hayden and Nathan. We are all students from Don Calajon Design Lab. Today, we will be teaching you how to use a SPHERO bolt and how to use its block coding. You can buy SPHERO bolts at SPHERO.com for $100.49. SPHEROs are robotic balls that you can code to move around. Now, let's get into the tutorial.
To start out in your spheroing journey, first go to the circle-looking button at the bottom left of your screen. Once you do this, click the search bar and search Play Store. Hit enter. It'll bring you to the Play Store page. Once in the Play Store, search up SPHERO EDU in the search bar. Click on it. Click the install button. And now you wait. Once it has installed, click open. You will see this page. Click the checkmark box on the Terms of Use and Privacy policy. Agree and submit. I'm a school user. Let's code. Hit OK. And now you're here.
In order to control your SPHERO, you have to click Drive in the bottom left hand of your screen. Once you've done this, you can pick whichever SPHERO you want. Once you've clicked the SPHERO, a panel should appear at the bottom of your screen. This panel helps you with controlling the SPHERO. You should click the aim button next to the controls. What this does is triggers a blue light on the SPHERO. You should move this blue light until it faces you. Once that is done, you're pretty much set for controlling your SPHERO. Remember to not drop the SPHERO, as SPHEROs are really fragile. Block coding, a coding language that is best for beginners. With block coding, you're able to control your SPHERO with precise movements. In order to use block coding to move around the SPHERO, click Programs and then Create a Program. Since we're using SPHERO bolts in this tutorial, click SPHERO bolt and then Create. Now you should wait a moment while this loads. Once it's loaded, this should pop up on the screen. This is the block coding area. First, we will be learning how to make your SPHERO go in a circle 4 times in a row. First, click Controls at the bottom of your screen. Then, find the Loop 0 times button and drag it into the workspace. Connect it to this On Start Program button. Then, go to Movements, and then go to the Spin 0 degrees for 0 seconds button. Then you want to add this inside the Loop 0 times button. Once this is in, you should change the degrees to 360. So, make this 360. And then you can change the duration. You can because the more duration, the bigger the circle will be. The smaller duration, the smaller it will be. But we recommend you using 4. Once you have the spin block correct, change the loop to 4 times. Then you can click the Start button. If you've done everything correctly, the SPHERO should move in a circle 4 times. Once you've done this correct, you've passed the SPHERO tutorial. Now, you are well on your way to becoming a SPHERO master.
I wanna be the very best.
You're the SPHERO. But I thought you didn't want to be a SPHERO master too.
You should know that the first hero to buy key and sign and
What?
I'll push you across the lands, showing you the fire.
Yes, you can go to SPHERO.com or search the
This
keyword
was
SPHERO.
to understand.
I'm not a table!
what that's inside.
Jesse is getting annoyed at Hayden.
Stop taking your role play too seriously.
And that's my destiny.
I'm gonna hit you.
Oh, you're my destiny. True. I'll call you for lust. I called you and you wrote for me. Zero ball. Gotta roll 'em all. Gotta roll 'em all.